Hey tribe, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, we're going to be installing the RV Smart Plug. So you can see I got the stainless model here, and we went ahead and also invested in the cable. It seems to be really well made and got the angled head on it there. So it is very flexible, as you can see. So without further ado, we're going to get ready to get this thing wired in. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. First thing you do is make sure you got all the power turned off. So as you can see, I've got it unplugged. I've got the battery shut off, and just in case. Hey, I'm going to start by removing the plug that came with it. Okay. Yeah, let me see if I can figure this out. Looks like I'm going to have to take these two little screws out in here. So we'll get that accomplished. Well, it's definitely letting that slide back, so I'm on the right track here. Well, these things are long-winded. I think I just about got it now. There we go. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go ahead and get these wires unscrewed and disconnected, and then we'll move on to installation. Okay, tribe, just about got this all disconnected here. Okay, the next thing I'm going to have to, the instruction sheet says these needs to be 5/8 wire out of the sheathing, and this is about, I measured these, they're about a 1/2 inch, so I need to take about 1/8 of an inch more of the sheathing off. So I'm using a razor knife, so if you're going to use one, use extreme caution. I'm not telling you to do this, this is just what I'm doing. So I'll get the rest of them just like that, and then we'll move on to the next. Okay, tribe, so I got these wires all installed and I snug them down hand tight. You'll need a 5/32 Allen wrench. The kit does come with the Allen wrench. I'm just going to use one that's on the ratchet here, but don't want to get stupid with these. So just want to snug them down to make sure they're not going to come loose. My calibrated elbow here. I didn't see a spec for this, but I will reread the instructions and see if they actually have some kind of specification on this. I kind of doubt it, since they sent you a wrench. Now I'm going to take me some tape and just where I slit that sheathing back a little bit. Get the cover back over it here. Now that that's finally in there where I need it to be, I've just seen that I'm gonna have to take this completely out to start this screw. Does that go in that way, or does it go in this way? Let me just take a peek. No, it goes in this way. Maybe. So just about got this cable keeper here finished up. Okay. Now I'm going to put it back in with its the stock screws just for right now, but I ain't going to be able to keep those. I'm going to have to put me some stainless steels in there, but I'm going to go ahead and run a couple of those in just so I can safely hook up the new cable. Okay, so that'll be good enough for the test fit. So now let's get that cable and So here's a comparison of the two. You can see how much different it's set up. Don't have this side leg for this ground here. This does come with a protective cap. So just going to give you some comparison here. See if I hold them at about the same angle. You can see how much more flexible this one is than that one. And it's supposed to stay like that no matter the temperature. So, and you don't have to line anything up. Just press that in there until it clicks, and then that's extra. I'm shaking the whole trailer with it. So next we'll get it plugged in. That'll let me manipulate this cord a little bit and see how that goes. Okay, tribe. So got power going to the unit. It's got blue lights on here. It's got two. I don't know how well you can see those, but hopefully you can see it's got two lights in it. So one for each leg. And that bad boy is locked in there. So let me get everything wrapped up here and let you know what I think. Okay, tribe, so that finishes up the installation. Time will tell whether the expense of that cable was worth it or not, but it is definitely more flexible, and I definitely like the way it secures when you plug it in, but only time's going to tell. So we'll see, and tell me what you think of the install. And if you've made it this far in the video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Give us that big thumbs up and ring that bell. Check us out on our Facebook page, S&S RV Adventures. We really appreciate you. Thanks again for watching. Till next time, God bless, safe travels. See ya.